This brand is a part of Carrier and the thermostats are backed by a good guarantee, but the controls are only sold and installed through their authorized dealers. The Ion Black system control gives you remote access to your HVAC system, and it has the ability to communicate with all of the components of their brand of equipment to maximize its efficiency. The unit provides real-time energy use tracking, a 5-day weather forecast, and maintenance reminders for the HVAC system. The control monitors the home's humidity and can control up to 8 individual zones in the home for energy savings and enhanced comfort. The Ion Gray Smart Thermostat is a Wi-Fi-enabled thermostat, but it is designed for systems where the HVAC equipment does not have communicating ability. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.